Coach Greg here with Spot Training, and if you are trying to lose that muffin top, then I have a great workout for you. We've got 4 exercises that are gonna help you tone and tighten your midsection, so let's get to it. All right, first exercise, we're gonna start off with some bicycles, 30 seconds on the clock, and here we go. Hands behind the head. We're bringing one knee to meet your elbow of the opposite side, just like that. Really focus on driving that knee up as high as you can, bringing that elbow to meet it, crunch over. You're working out your front, your lower, your upper abs, as well as your obliques. I'll turn to the side for you so you can see. I'm trying to bring my body over as far out as I can. Bring that elbow up, or knee up, elbow down, I should say. And we're almost done. 3, 2, and 1. I turned myself around there. I was like, where am I? Next, we have trunk twist. Stand up nice and tall, and here we go. You can have arms together like this. You can have arms behind your head. You can have arms out to the side, whatever you want, but the main goal is hands on the hips, but we're trying to rotate our trunk over. So whatever you need to make sure you are getting a nice rotational movement, go ahead and do it. I like this variation because I focus on bringing my elbow as far back as I can. My feet are stable and strong, at least shoulder width apart. My core is tight, and I'm bringing everything from this section, just like that. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Moving along, we have some side leg raises. We're going in 3, 2, 1. We're just focusing on bringing one side, or I should say our leg up from the side, just alternating leg to leg. Don't focus so much on height. That doesn't matter. The goal is you really want to be pulling for hip flexor from this side. We're trying to target this muffin top area. So this is how you do it. Don't turn your foot out like this, because then you're not really working out up here. You're just working out your legs. Come on, you're doing great. 3, 2, and 1. Moving along. Last, we have some inside foot taps. 30 seconds. And here we go. We're just alternating between bringing our foot up, just reaching down a little bit to tap. We're working out your upper abs, your lower abs too. This is kind of a variation of a normal, instead of keeping a straight leg out, trying to reach over to crunch. Just a little slight bend in the knees. Gives you some time, almost like a hacky sack, right? But make sure you're being methodical and intentional about reaching. We want to feel that squeeze at the bottom. We're not just trying to tap our foot. That doesn't do anything. Really focus on the mind-body connection. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right, first set is done. Now you know exactly what you're doing. Let's get started with set number 2 and 3. I'm gonna stop talking, music's going up, and we're gonna have some fun. Let's get it. Bicycles, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Trunk twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Side leg raise, 3, 2, 1, go. Inside foot taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done, one more to go. Let's finish strong. You got this, starting right now.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Trunk twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Side leg raise, 3, 2, 1, go. Inside foot taps, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That's how you lose your muffin top. Hopefully you enjoyed this low impact workout. You can do the standing, sitting, there's no exercise or there's no equipment rather required. You definitely need exercise to get rid of a muffin top. But if you like videos like this, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping from Meredith Shirk, Spalk Training. Hopefully you have a great day. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.